good afternoon, everyone. I'm Robert Stevens here on the Robert Channel. It's now 4:30, and it's on a Monday, 26th of January of 15, and it's snowing out there, very cloudy, and its sun's going down for the night. But tomorrow's going to be real brutal as the snowstorm comes in, and it's not going to be nice out. So once again, the travel ban is effective midnight till further notice. The TS I am riding right now will not be running, but train drivers have to show up for work anyways. And nobody's to go out. And non-essential state personnel stay home, like me. And we might be closed on Wednesday too, but stay safe out there and go stock up on groceries right now, as I will be stocking up right now when I get to my car, going to the grocery store. Take care and stay safe. Meanwhile, enjoy the scenery from the train.